Hey guys, this is Abel Jacobs and I'm back again with another video today. Now in this particular video, we want to talk about an arbitrage opportunity that you guys can do right here on Binance. So this is a Binance Spot-P2P Arbitrage model. And I've told you guys before, or rather if you've been seeing some of my videos before, I've said it that the spot market and the P2P market, they are two different markets, but all within the same exchange. So which means that the price at which they are selling or buying a crypto on the spot market tends to be different from that of the P2P market. So we tend to take advantages of these price differences between the spot market and the P2P market, because at the end of the day, that is all what arbitrage is about. We make use of what price differences, where we buy low at one place and we sell high at another place. Now in this particular arbitrage opportunity, we are making use of Binance only. So it is a Binance Spot to P2P arbitrage, and it requires a very large capital. Now you will need a minimum capital of at least ₦1,000,000. You can also try it out with 500,000 if you have 500,000. But the reason why I'm going with ₦1,000,000 is because that is the minimum you will need to trade with P2P merchants. So if you have ₦1,000,000 and you want to make extra cash, you want to make extra income, this is one way you can do it right here on Binance. And you don't have to worry about you losing your money or whatsoever. It is all secured within Binance. Now, if you want to deposit your ₦1,000,000 on Binance, you can go to the P2P market. If I go to the P2P, all I have to do is switch this to NGN. Then you can deposit here. They are charging a rate of 1.01 naira here. But if you don't want to use this, I'm not going to advise you to use this. But instead, you go to direct deposit. All you have to do is go to your wallet under Binance. Then you look for NGN. Then you do your direct deposit via CashLink. So CashLink will be charging you at 1 naira per watt per deposit. So you are getting your ₦1,000,000 intact. So making use of CashLink. CashLink right now is working. I've been using CashLink several times to deposit and has been working so far correctly. So if you have deposited your ₦1,000,000 on CashLink or via CashLink, all you have to do is come here. As you guys can see, they are selling BTC to us here at the price of 52 million naira. So if you buy 1,000,000 naira worth of BTC, you'll be getting this worth of BTC, which is 0.01913 BTC. Now you can also make use of the convert tool to directly swap your naira to Bitcoin, and they are not going to be charging you any fee, unlike here where they'll be charging you some fees. But if you don't want to be charged any fee, just make use of the convert tool. Now once you've gotten this amount of Bitcoin and it is in your wallet, let me cut this. All you have to go is head over to the P2P market. Then we look for BTC. Then we go to the sell side of the market. Right now, merchants on the sell side, they are buying Bitcoin at a much higher price, so we can use this to make our profits. So since our initial capital is 1,000,000 naira, let's look for a merchant that is starting off with 1,000,000 naira. Express Exchange 46468. Now if we sell our worth of BTC to him right now, as you guys can see, you'll be making an extra 37,000 naira profit. So this is just an arbitrage opportunity, and you can do this right here on Binance. Like I said, if you have a large capital of at least ₦1,000,000 naira, you can get into this right now and you will start making your extra income steadily. So I don't know how long this is going to last, because the prices always adjust on time. Very soon it can elapse to give you a little amount, it will give you a little profit, or it can even end up in loss. So as far as this is working now and you have this minimum capital of ₦1,000,000 naira, I would advise you guys to use this opportunity right now. So here we are on the calculator, guys, and we want to calculate our profit margin. Now if you are able to successfully get our first initial profit, which is that 7,172 naira, and we are able to do that successfully 10 times in a day, you'll be making 371,000 naira. If you are able to do this successfully in a week, you'll be getting 2.6 million. And if you're able to do this successfully in a month, you'll be making at least 10 million naira. So imagine you making 10 million naira from your initial 1 million from your initial 1 million deposit. So this is the arbitrage opportunity for you guys. Try it out, make your money from it. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and join the link in the description to have access to my crypto trading signals and updates. You join our telegram group for our forex trading signals as well, and do well to join our crypto group for our spot trading signals and our crypto triangular and inter exchange arbitrage signals as well. Thanks.